friend, welcome to SVA showroom. SVA hardware is focused on the bathroom glass door hardware such as the shower hinge, glass clamp, glass door handle, sliding door system, and so on. Now, follow me, I will take you to visit our showroom. As you can see, here this area is our shower hinge, glass clamp, and this area is our door handle series. And this area is our sliding door system series. Follow me, let's go to visit our test room. This is our test room. It tests the product's durability. Okay, this area is our shower room enclosures. So, do you like our shower room? If you have free time, welcome to visit our factory and our showroom. Thank you.